Alright. I'm here with Morgan. Morgan has a story. She was telling it, and then I asked her if we could grab a camera, so.
Okay, so, fun fact, you can go and watch any court case that you want to. It's all open to the public. Except for child custody cases, but those aren't.
Yeah, I don't really know why you'd want to go watch one of those anyway.
Yeah, anyways.
Wait, you get two groups, and you go on, like, opposite sides, and you're, like, rooting for one side or the other?
So, basically I had to go for one class, but the teacher of my other class is an attorney, so I knew about this case because of him. Basically, the case was about these guys that were going from Phoenix to Kentucky. Obviously, they didn't make it too far.
They didn't really make it anywhere.
They got pulled over for speeding. Dumb, whatever. And then the guy was talking to them and totally fine, and they could have left. But then the officer, since they're trained to pick up on people's body language and things like that, he noticed that the passenger was really rigid and like watching him a lot and kind of on edge. So he asked these guys, can I search the car? You're allowed to say no. You can say no, like we have to get going, whatever. They said yes.
Why are people so stupid?
Like, don't say
look,
yes.
Don't be a criminal, but if you're gonna be a criminal, why do you have to be so dumb?
They said yes. They signed his form that said that he could search it, and then he had the passenger sign another form that's basically the same thing, but just the passenger version. Searching the car, like front seat's good, back seat's good, and then they go in the trunk, and he notices this like inch and a half separation between the carpet like lining of the trunk and the metal part of the car. It was detached from, like, the carpet was detached from where it
so
should
it's
have
like
been.
split off. Okay.
Of course, it's suspicious, so the guy starts pulling it back, found 18.5 pounds of meth
Oh my
in the trunk.
That's a lot of meth.
Yeah, and so, of course, I looked it up and saw how much it was. Basically, in the powder form, it's less valuable, but this was crystals. So they got the big chunks that amounted to around $200,000 worth of meth. Just watched the trial, and the guy ended up being guilty, which is not surprising. They basically only went to trial because they claimed that the evidence was illegally obtained, but it wasn't.
You signed a waiver.
I know.
That said you can look for anything.
Yeah.
Look, if I'm not watching the O.J. Simpson trial, I don't care.
You could have gone and watched, remember that lady who like stabbed her husband like 27 times?
Judy Arias?
Yeah. You could have gone and watched the beginnings of that trial too.
Why couldn't you watch the end though?
Well, I mean, it went up to the Supreme Court, so.
It did?
Yeah.
Why? Why was the Supreme Court so concerned about it?
That's not how that happens.
Well, no.
You go through like a bunch of appeals.
No, yeah, I know that. But normally, if the Supreme Court takes a case, it's because there is some, like, constitutional question.
Yeah.
Like, they don't just take a criminal case where someone, like, stabbed a dude.
No, I know that.
It denied review. So she tried to take it to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court was like,
She went on the stand for herself, which
don't
kind of violates the Fifth Amendment.
Here's
don't go
legal advice. You can do it. You shouldn't do it. Welcome to Heath Bannard's legal advice team. Here's my advice for today. I'm going to give you several tips. If you ever murder someone, first off, don't commit a crime. But if you do, here's my advice. Don't represent yourself. You're an idiot. You might not think that you are, but you are an idiot. That's like real bad, dude. If I ever had an ex-girlfriend that like shot me in the face and then slit my throat and then stabbed me 27 times, I'd probably be a little bit upset too. I'd be like, whoa, can we get this on national television, please?
She's just sentenced to her natural life in prison.
Her natural life? Yeah, so then I don't understand how some people get like a triple death penalty or like a triple life sentence. But like it doesn't do anything. It's not like you die and then you somehow are resuscitated and then you go back. Like, it doesn't happen in prison where if you like had a heart attack and then they like bring you back to life, then you're like, well, look, I only got 1 life sentence. I just died, so this is my 2nd life, so I'm gonna peace out.
Want to hear my fact?
Oh, yeah.
Biofacts.
Just yawning.
Okay.
Going back to Biofacts, Morgan.
Mammals have nipples.
Yeah.
However, platypus and echidna do not have nipples. So when the mom is like giving off milk, it just like comes out. Like the young and just like lap it up.
Guys, do you like creamy or chunky peanut butter? Leave it in the comment section below. Yeah, that's a good one. Today's 420, so don't do drugs. Why is it that like people are so concerned with drugs and then everyone with alcohol is just like, yeah, we're chilling, dude? This country's so dumb because if drugs are bad, alcohol is bad too, guys. I don't care if you like alcohol. I don't care if you like drugs. I could not care less. But alcohol's not a good thing for you. Like, I don't think anyone thinks that it is, so what? And on that note, we're going to end this video. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. Do it.
Also, go look up your local court trials and go and watch them.
Yeah, so go to court. Make sure to keep the Heath Bannard Legal Advice Team's advice. I don't know. Watch my videos. Thanks.
Just throw it from ear to ear.